Your friend has set you up in the run, your little puppet. Talk all your mama Shelly dog out till all your friend them a pocket.
The dog we shoot him up. Them now watch you road. Them a deal span Shelly. So
Greetings viewers and subscribers, welcome back to Line TV. By now, you're supposed to know that I don't really do the breaking news thing. I always give it space at least a day, make whatever manifest, whoever the controversy is about, but wait to see what go on in the media, to see what them are true around, just so that I can have a better understanding before me forward as one articulate myself about the situation. But as if that one here, me nah go wait till tomorrow. Me I drop the breaking news now. And the reason why me I do that is because more of you see if you know look pan things the same way or me I look pan it, or just on a general understanding or idea of the situation at hand. And yo, I know one breaking news we have in this, but the biggest of them all is that Chronic Law for the first, me feel like him confirm say yo, there is no more friendship between him and Squash, because him attack Squash brawling and direct are the most direct me ever see Chronic Law go in a track. Yeah man, when me just start listening to this song, me I say yo, me I try to pick out if a Alkaline car when me kick it off grimy, me I say yeah man, some this I go on. But only if you continue listening to this song, me hear the man say something, me have to pass it right this one and say yo, from the beginning of this song, me I get it wrong. This song is not a diss track aimed at Alkaline. It is a direct diss aimed at Squash. But viewers and subscribers, before we go further in the details, you know how we do it. May I ask you to please pause this video for a second and click the subscription button, and me I tell you, you don't want to miss the next upload, you don't want to miss the next update, because yo, I start now. So please click the notification bell, just so that you will be notified each and every time a new video is uploaded on this channel. Also, me I go ask you please, I want to reach this far, so give this video a like. We'll get straight into it. So up first, we have a breaking news and a good news in a bad news situation. Now, this brother, I think him named Derek Francis, he was on the run because he's the alleged killer of Ricky Trooper daughter. Him dep on the run for a couple days now, probably a couple weeks now, by the way. I understand me I say the police them finally catch up to him and them arrest him. You understand me I say. Now me see a lot of people say yo, Jaja, this and never the outcome what them did want. Them did a upset the public hold on to him before the police them hold on to him. But at the end of the day, this is possibly the best way or justice can be served. You understand? So the police them have him, and one thing we know with American law enforcement, them are gonna make sure say justice serve. Especially in a case like this, a horrific case like this, where a female at a very young age was brutally, anyway, me not even want to spend too much time on that, you understand, but again, condolences to the family, the friends, the loved ones, and everybody who know and associate with this female and Ricky Trooper, them condolences, you understand, and me just hope and pray, say justice will be served. Now, the real breaking news. Chronic Law. Yo, this is not even an answer. This is not even a response. This is a direct attack on Squash. Check it out.
them grave digger ready. Just start but the place yet him already. We know we spines in our face him.
Them grave digger ready. Them boy they just start bad. I'm for sure you the place already hate him. When me hear the line, them me I say yo, Alkaline alone, them always I said just talk bad what they know. Them man they are the nerd in the high school and now I can go on the most way So me I say yeah man, Alkaline get attacked, but let me just go and listen until it get more direct. So we will check out some more of the track. Yo, you see, yes so Chronic Law and make you know say him a real bad man. And him no fear nothing. You understand? And too long him a bad, him a wonder why nothing na reach him. And that everybody else say, yo, Jaja, a man we are bad so long, not even one little charge. Police not even hold on pan him one time. But law boss just a make you know the level where him badness depend. No man never shoot after him yet. No man never backs him up yet. No police never hold on pan him yet. And what? Him a real bad man. Check out some more of the track.
And we boy rifle me carry referee carry whistle. Can't book a road then I prison.
Yo, you see that line here? it make me convince see a Alkaline him attack. Alkaline forward out what the other talk about man in a jersey and this and that. And you don't know. Once you got jersey, you're basically talking about a sport, about a game, and more than likely it is a referee or a umpire in control of the match. So it la boss and make you know say yo, a gun him carry. But yo, a referee carry whistle. So at that point, me did convince say yeah man, a Alkaline him attack. But me just a wait and a whole finger more direct. Just for hear him say the blind boy. Just for hear him say yo, something of that sort. But you see what him say next, yo, it really make with there so.
The dog will shoot him up. Them now watch you road. Them a gaze pan Shelly. So
Yo, listen to the line again. Before me say anything, listen to the line again.
the dog will shoot him up. Them now watch you road. Them a gaze pan Shelly. So
Me I go be honest with you know. You see that line some part of it not so clear. And if you ask me, whole heap of the song, some part of it not so clear. Which make me wonder if this song is a leak song. If this song should have really be released. Maybe Labas go in at the studio and him knock up couple bars, said speed and say, you watch and this, that, youth, yeah. But it shouldn't have been released because it need more clarity work. It need more clean up. It need more this and it need more that. And it never happened. But whoever him do the song for decide say yo them are gonna release it. But with that said, one thing me know for a fact, we clearly hear Labas say them grave digger ready and the man will shoot him up, fail him already. Now me not sure if him say fail him already or whatever already, but me know for a fact him say them grave digger ready and the dog will shoot him up. Now me I go ask you a question. Which artist or artist associates get shoot up in recent time? Which one? Only Squash and J-Man. You understand what me I say? Only Squash and J-Man. Not only that. Remember say the man them where people allegedly say shoot after Squash or gauge him with the shot and want a friend them. And people were in par with certain way. I want link them. Which is why J-Man go back and go do what him do. Yo, me now go back to all of that cause yo, me do so much stories on it. So if you don't want check out the full details of the situation we go down with Squash and J-Man them, yo, just browse the channel, just type in Line TV, Squash and J-Man or whatever the case may be, and you know we see it. But yes, Squash are the only person, the only artist in recent time we get shoot after, or we can say get shoot up. You understand what I say? And then J-Man allegedly go retaliate for that shooting incident and him also get shoot up. So when me hear that, me I make the connection and say, yo, you know say I know Alkaline, Labas attack do a Squash all these times, a Squash him attack. But then now, the last part of this verse was what said it all. And yo, again for the third time, me I go play it.
the dog will shoot him up. Them now watch you road. Them a gaze pan Shelly. So the
Yo, Labas say them now watch the road. Them a gaze pan who? Them a gaze pan Shelly. Now, obviously, it can be a case where Shelly is just a random girl, you understand, and Shelly look good out the road, and a man a got you, and instead of look left and look right before them cross, they must spend the entire time and look pan Shelly and I say, yo, that girl, the atty man, and then a man just forward out and bust out them jelly. But guess what? The connections to all of them that, and to me, it cannot be a coincidence. Squash mother named Shelly. And we all know outside that Squash little brother Bobby Six, Shelly is the person who have the closest to him hard car what? I'm mad at that. You understand? And him mother go hard for him. So for him forward, for Labas forward and say, yo, the same man will shoot you. Just know see your grave digger already and the same man will shoot you. XYZ and then him come back around and say, yo, you now watch your road. Yeah, give span Shelly. Yo, people, tell me down below in the comment section. Cause right now, me not even go no further in the review ya. Because I want to go check out this song for yourself. But before you do that, tell me down below in the comment section if you feel like say this was a direct attack by Labas and Squash. You understand? And also, don't forget to like this video. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell. Bless up.